In this video, I'll show you how to A/B test your email marketing campaigns in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, click on Create, then choose Email. If your account supports it, you'll see an option called A/B Test. This is where Mailchimp lets you test things like subject lines, sender names, content, or send times to see what performs better. Now, this part is important. If you're using the Mailchimp free plan or free trial, the A/B testing option will not appear. Mailchimp only enables A/B testing on paid plans like Essentials, Standard, or Premium. So if you don't see the A/B test option, that's why. Once you're on a paid plan and select A/B test, Mailchimp will guide you through choosing what you want to test. You can set how many versions you want, decide how your audience is split, and choose how Mailchimp picks the winning version. After sending, Mailchimp automatically tracks performance and shows you which version performed better based on open rates, clicks, or other metrics. If you're staying on the free plan, a simple workaround is to create two separate email campaigns, send them to different audience segments, and compare the results manually. That's how A/B testing works in Mailchimp, and now you know exactly what's possible on free versus paid plans.